Hi, beautiful people. So I just want to come on really quickly. We're gonna jump right into it because right now we're gonna hop right into it. I'm just gonna show you how to remove a background off of a video on Canva. All right. So we're just gonna open up the wonderful app on your device, and hopefully I can snap out a screen record right here on the screen so you can see it. And we're gonna just click on I don't care what it is. Right now we're just gonna do it for an example, right? So we're gonna put up a blank screen, and we are going to see, I don't like using the I like using the cell phone sometimes. Okay, so I create a lot of different items. I'm gonna use this character I used from one of my clients. I'm gonna just make it a little bit bigger, and then literally y'all see right here at the bottom where it says BG remover, and then when you're on the computer it looks a little bit different, but you're gonna still see background remover, and it's gonna be right there in front of your face. There's no way for you to kind of like miss it, right? And so all you're gonna do is hit background remover, and boom, you're done. Period. Done. Finito. Completed. It was that easy. You don't need to pay nobody to do it for you. You got it yourself. You just did it. Congratulations. High five.